Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll see what are the CPC exam errors and how to recognize and rectify them. Let's start with the first mistake, that is misreading questions. You have to carefully read the entire questions. Small details such as age, gender or anatomical site can influence the correct answer. And also highlight or underline key information in the question if it is permitted during the test. Next error is selecting incomplete codes. Report complete ICD-10-CM codes and make sure to include all additional digits or subcategories required. And verify procedure codes thoroughly. Check the parent code and indented codes to ensure you are selecting the most accurate and complete descriptions. Next mistake may be overusing modifier 59. Modifier 59 misuse is common. Use it exclusively for distinct separate procedures that cannot be bundled. You can take a note of this and also double check NCCI edits. Ensure proper usage by verifying the edits. Next is skipping guidelines. Don't overlook section guidelines and parenthetical notes in your CPT book. These parenthetical notes often contain crucial instructions for correct coding. And also refer to exclusion notes. For example, in your ICD-10-CM, there will be use additional code directives. So these are key resources for accurate coding. Next is mismanaging time. Manage your pace. Avoid spending excessive time on any single section. And this is very important. Reserve the final 30 minutes for reviewing and addressing flag questions. Lastly, let us review some of the exam policies and instructions. Familiarizing yourself with CPC exam policies is essential to prevent technical errors or rule violations. You have to understand time limits, allowed materials, and testing environments, which will help you avoid unnecessary stress. Let us look at the exam format. The exam consists of 100 multiple choice questions that reflect real-world coding scenarios. A strict 4-hour time limit is enforced. In my YouTube channel, I have uploaded videos related to CPC exam format. You can check them. And secondly, allowed materials. Only official CPT, ICD-10-CM and HCPCS Level 2 manuals are allowed in the CPC exam. And manuals can have tabs and highlights. Next is breaks. There are no scheduled breaks. Bathroom breaks are permitted but will count against your 4-hour limit. Next is passing score. As you all know, a minimum score of 70% is required to pass. That is, out of 100 questions, you have to get 70 questions correct to pass. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Keep in mind all the tips we discussed and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel CodeMate Mastery. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. See you next time.